All right, so my fifth and final technology here for this module is a website actually. It's called Illuminations. It's put together by the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics, NCTM. And I went to a few of their conferences when I was in college, and so that's kind of how I got exposed to them. And they've got this really cool website here, and it's got a lot of good stuff. So it's got lessons, so depending on your grade level, it's got clear down to pre-K and up to 12th grade. Uh, and it's just got a whole variety of different types of lessons. So depending on, so exploring linear data, birthday paradox, which is kind of it's a challenging kind of critical thinking type of problem. But there's a ton of different things that you can search there as far as lessons to do some different stuff, and they've also got some interactive. So these Ken-Kens, very similar to Sudoku puzzles. You can do that on there. Investigating functions, that's a big one that I teach. So that would be a cool one to use. And they've got Pythagorean theorem for middle school teachers. Just cool stuff here. And you can kind of search the site for whatever you're looking for. If you want to go based off the Common Core standards, you can hit that stuff and search. And I've actually kind of found a few cool ones on here that would definitely be worth using. So again, teachers, it really helps us save some time if we more just recycle different stuff versus coming up with a bunch of new stuff on our own. The NCTM people are great. They do a lot of really cool, good things, and so it's definitely reliable information there. Now, as far as like why I chose this, it's a good reference for math teachers designing lessons or looking for supplemental things to kind of add and spice things up in their curriculum. The purpose was to find a resource online for creating lesson plans and activities, something to be able to go and look on for really cool ideas to kind of save some of the time of creating stuff myself or for other math teachers. The intended audience would be my peers, other teachers, because they would be the ones using it, particularly math teachers, because it's a math-based website, and it could be any level, elementary clear up until high school. The two ISTE standards that were covered here, ISTE 1A, set professional learning goals to explore and apply pedagogical approaches made possible by technology and reflect on their effectiveness. So, I've been setting goals as far as wanting myself to explore different things this summer, especially through this class. I've learned a lot, and so this kind of meets one of my goals to check out different types of technologies that can help me out in the future. And so I won't be able to reflect on the effectiveness of this until later, but that's the first standard. And then ISTE 5B, design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active deep learning. So this is going to help in the design of authentic learning activities. They've got some really cool ideas that I can use that I can throw into my units that also align with the standards. So very cool stuff on that website that can really help any math teacher out there.